I love you so much. I'll see you in, hopefully, not forever.
Love you too, baby. Hurry up.
Ew, is that a booger? Ew. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a super fun, colorful skeleton look. I apologize at how broken out I am. Again, it's just like not a good situation for anyone right now. So ignore that as best you can and enjoy this fun Halloween look. Yeah, since I'm just gonna do a voiceover, babe, you can talk to me if you want. Not that you have anything to say to me, but.
Oh, I love you, baby. You're so beautiful, fantastic, most amazing person I've ever met. And I miss you so much and I want to cuddle you, so hurry up, come down here because I want to kiss you and cuddle you and love you.
Honestly, I'm gonna leave that in. So I'm just starting with the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer to get a good base down, and then putting some foundation on just so that y'all don't have to stare at my pimples the whole video. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Primer just to get my eyelids all primed and set. Then I'm going in with a little bit of Scotch tape, putting it on the back of my hand to remove a little bit of the stickiness, and then putting it under my eyes so when I remove it, I have a really sharp eye look. I got the 35V and the, oh my god, ew. Why? And the 35M palette to complete this look, mainly because I wanted new makeup and they had tons of colors. So I'm starting with the Jaclyn Hill palette and going in with a transition shade and just blending that all in my transition area. Then taking a smaller crease brush, I'm going into a deep purple color and starting that just on the outer corners of my crease. Then going in with another crease brush, I'm going into a lighter purple color here and just using that to kind of blend out this color and make it less stark, which didn't end up really working for me, honestly. Now I'm going in with that pinkish color and blending that on top of the purples just to kind of diffuse it out because it was coming off a little strong to me. Next, I'm just spraying a small brush with a little bit of Fix Plus and going in with a sparkly green color towards the inner corner of my eye. I want this look to start green and fade to blue and purple and make it really colorful so that it'll match the skull makeup I'm doing later on. Another brush sprayed with Fix Plus. Now I'm going in with that blue color, laying it on pretty heavily at first, but as you can see later on, I'm just going to diffuse it so it's a really pretty ombre from the green to the purple. And then on a different brush again, more Fix Plus and applying a purple shade. And this is me just blending all of those shades together so it blends seamlessly. Then I'm just adding a lime green color above the green, kind of as a transition shade. And I'm gonna do the same with a blue and a purple just to make sure this look doesn't have any harsh edges and it's all blended really evenly. Again, with the purple, just blending it out towards the edge. And then adding a little bit of highlight from my Morphe palette. I don't remember which one. And blending that all with just a fluffy Kylie blending brush. Then I'm just taking more of that lime green I used to diffuse out the green and rubbing that underneath my lash line. Same with a blue and a purple just to really complete the look and make it really smoky. Again with the purple as you can see here. Then I'm just taking a makeup wipe and brushing from my eyebrows down to where the eyeshadow ends so that it fits my eye shape a little bit better. And then I'm adding a black liner to the look. I had a lot of trouble with this liner for some reason. I haven't done a winged liner in a long time, so it didn't go well. And this is just me adding a tight line and a water line and then packing on some black eyeshadow to make sure that that eyeliner is really stark and black. Now I'm just going in with a concealer that's way too dark for me. I don't even know why I did this. I tried mixing concealers and it was still too dark. But now I'm just blending my foundation all over my face, adding that second layer, and then going in with Tarte Shape Tape towards the center of the face just to highlight and make sure that I'm, you know, nice and flawless. I'm terrible at voiceovers. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. HD setting powder. This stuff sucks. I do not like this setting powder, honestly. This is the Makeup Forever foundation powder. Just blending that out and then using my Bobbi Brown Stone Street bronze.
Full stone, babe.
No.
No?
No.
Damn, babe.
I'm done with the eyes though.
You're killing me. You're killing me, man.
Do you want to come look at the eyes? Because I think you're going to really, really like them.
Do I have to come all the way up there?
I mean, yeah. Now I'm just adding some highlight until Brenden walks upstairs. Do you like them?
Oh. Hi, beautiful. Can I just look at you for a second? She's so pretty.
Then I'm just finishing this with Fix Plus. I wanted to make sure I had a good face down before I started my skull so that everything was nice and sculpted before I got started. And now, as you can see, I'm just taking a white pencil liner and I'm outlining the shape of the skull with a squiggly line across my cheeks, 2 sharp points on my nose, and then kind of like the outline of the jaw coming from underneath my mouth. And then I'm outlining my jawline as well, making it nice and sharp so I don't look like I have a double chin. Here I'm just adding the teeth, which I had a lot of trouble with. I realized that while I'm good at makeup somewhat, like not the best, but I'm pretty good, I am not good at drawing, and I had a lot of trouble creating these teeth. So they look a little wonky in the end of the video, which you'll surely see, but I did my best, so. Now I'm starting with the rainbow aspect of this look. So I'm starting with a blue shadow and I'm outlining all of the white that I just did. And it's going to go from, oh, I just realized that I did the color wrong. It should be purple then blue, but I did blue then purple. And then green and then yellow, orange, and then red, just continuing to go toward the center. And while I was doing this, I was just using a makeup remover wipe and a cotton round to clean off the same brush, so I didn't have to use like 40 different brushes to complete this look, which worked pretty well for me, honestly, because the colors were gonna run together anyways, so it's okay if there was a little bit left on my brush from a previous color. So I'm just continuing to blend all of those colors forward, creating that rainbow effect towards the center of my face. And then starting from the very middle teeth, I'm starting with red and fading out orange, yellow, green, blue, purple towards the edge of my mouth. Man, I'm really bad at voiceovers. This is hard. Wow, you can literally see me doing that so well. Oh my gosh, I'm literally not even on camera. Love that. So glad you guys can see all this hard work that I put into this look. It's fine. And then now I'm just taking a black shadow and I'm starting to outline or like color in between all of those colored lines. I'm starting with black, just outlining it to make sure that I don't accidentally cover up anything, color up any of the rainbow color. So I'm taking that black shadow and just outlining it, and then I'm going to begin filling it in as you see here. I wish that I had gone over with black again after I'd filled it all in, like more, just because I feel like it wasn't black enough. I feel like you could really see a lot of my skin kind of peeking through. So I wish I'd taken the time to just go a little bit darker on the black, but I mean, I can't go back now. And then I decided I didn't like the rainbow effect on my nose because it just didn't like blend very well. So I went ahead and covered it up with the black eyeshadow. I literally have been filming this video for like 2 hours. My camera just died, but I'm determined to finish this for you people, so you better appreciate it. And I wanted to do this with white eyeliner, but I thought I had some and apparently I didn't. So I went in with a NYX glitter liner just in a silver color, and where all of those white lines were before, I just went over all of them again to kind of give it a more highlighted effect. And then here I'm just adding on some lashes and mascara, of course, because no look is complete without those. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara with the curved wand. I'm taking that glitter liner again and just putting it on the inner corners to kind of bring the look all together. Okay, I'm done. All right, guys, that is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It didn't turn out 100% how I wanted to. If I'm honest, I'm like a little disappointed with it, but I still think it's a pretty cool look, and if you can recreate it, I think people will know what you are and they'll see that you spent a lot of time working on your Halloween makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like down below. I can't even talk because I've been filming for so long. Also subscribe if you want to see some more videos from me. My social media links will be in the down bar below as well. Happy Halloween, everybody. Bye.